Need to recover more storage space on your Windows PC. Microsoft PC Manager includes advanced cleanup tools that can scan for temporary files, Windows cache, update leftovers, and other unnecessary data. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable and use deep cleanup in Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Wait for the application to load completely before continuing. Next, open the Storage Management section. This is where you'll find cleanup tools for temporary files, large files, and additional storage optimization features. Look for the Deep Cleanup option if it's available in your version of Microsoft PC Manager. Some versions may label this feature differently or include it as part of the storage cleanup tools, so the exact interface may vary. Start the Deep Cleanup scan and allow Microsoft PC Manager to search for unnecessary files. It may identify temporary files, Windows Update leftovers, cache files, log files, and other data that can often be removed safely. Review the detected files before deleting them. Uncheck anything you want to keep, then start the cleanup process to recover storage space. Once the cleanup is complete, return to the storage overview to see how much disk space has been recovered. Running a deep cleanup occasionally can help keep your Windows PC organized and improve overall performance. And that's how to enable and use deep cleanup in Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. Depending on your version of the app, the feature name or location may vary, but using the advanced cleanup tools regularly can help free storage space and keep your Windows PC running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.